Hey, what you got there, Mr. Wilson?
What, you mean this? This is a surprise.
That doesn't sound good.
Not at all. You gotta be kidding me. He's gonna give us a pop quiz.
Yeah, probably.
I gotta find some way to get out of it.
Come on, the reading last time was easy.
It was?
Yeah, didn't you do it?
And miss out on my huge Minecraft tournament? No way. I gotta get out of this test somehow.
Here we go again.
I could pretend I'm sick.
You already did that like 5 times and it never works.
True. Maybe I could pretend like I broke my leg by slipping